We're kickstarting the burger series. This is the first one, and boy am I excited, because who doesn't like a burger? I mean, come on, everybody loves burgers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it the old thumbs up if you're liking what you're seeing. So with that being said, we've got onion, tomato, fake American cheese. We've also got some Emmental, pepperoni, smoked bacon, lettuce. Now I've put the lettuce in water, thinly sliced. It keeps it crisp, it keeps it fresh. Just a little trick. You can add ice, but it's entirely up to you. And we've also got 80-20% fat. You need a high fat content because it just helps with getting that crispiness on the burger. I'm going to call this the pizza burger. Emma, my wife, said, why on earth are you adding lettuce to a pizza burger? Put a comment in down below whether you would or not. Let me know. So with that being said, let's get grilling. Okay, so I'm just spraying a bit of olive oil over. You quickly toast these buns. The key is to toasting your buns. What you're doing is you're sealing the bread off. You get that juicy burger with all those juices dripping out, and it doesn't make the bread go soggy. So that's all you're looking for. These are approximately 125 grams each. So just showing you as well, I have got a smasher, but you don't need to have one. As long as you've got a decent spatula, you want to get them as thin as you can. Okay, so now's the time to season your burger. I've got this Aaron Franklin rub. It's got an umami flavour to it because it's got mushroom powder in it, and it's awesome on burgers. This is the only time you season your meat. You do not do anything with it. Just ball it up into a ball, and that's it. Leave it alone. Smash it down. You don't have to use the Aaron Franklin rub. You can just use any rub you want. Look at that. That is exactly what you want. You want a nice browning, which is also known as the Maillard reaction, and that is caramelisation. You're going to get a nice crispy texture and an awesome flavour from that, let me tell you. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to add the pepperoni to one of the burgers. We're going to add the Emmental to that one. Let that melt all over. We're going to add the American fake cheese to that one. You just cannot go wrong. All we're doing now is just allowing that cheese to melt. Okay, so burger on, bacon on, onion on, burger on, and then all's left to do is add the tomato. Then we're going to add this peri-peri to the top as you add the lid. Okay guys, moment of truth. Loads of burgers up and coming, loads of different ways of doing it. This is my take on a pizza burger. Call it what you want, you just can't go wrong with that. Let me get my sensible sized knife out to do the great reveal. Oh, look at that crispiness. Because I've done the patties quite thick, these are quite tall and they do look a bit huge. They're not expensive to make, and your mates are only going to need one of these each, and they're going to be full up. I mean, look at all the flavours going on in there. So let's do the taste test. Oh yeah, honestly, the pepperoni, that definitely adds a decent element of flavour into this. The Emmental cheese works really well. It's just got a slight sweet nuttiness to it, adds a little bit of extra texture and flavour. Forgot to mention that was raw onion. Personally, I prefer raw onion in mine. You can fry it up if you want, it doesn't matter. It's just down to your flavour preference. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. What can I say? I'm super excited about doing more of these. Now, remember, go and cook something exceptional, and I'll see you when I see you. Cheers, guys.